Alright, so what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, gang. And today we will be And today we will be doing a POV and Gary. We in the fucking trenches right now, man. I don't know if y'all can see. I got motherfuckers recognizing me and shit, but we in the trenches with the Z today. The 1LE joint. This ain't the fake joint. You see the wheels? I ain't gotta say this every video. But yeah, though, y'all, we are in the motherfucking trenches. I am lacking right now. Psych, dum-dum. You don't know what's under my armpit. But we do got the Z out. On the back, we running 325s. And on the front, I don't even know on the front what we running, but damn, this shit low-key warping. I low-key need to get some new brakes and rotors. But we just go figure it out, shorty. We go figure it out. But make sure that y'all hit that like button. And make sure that y'all hit that fucking hype button, man. Y'all ain't been hitting that hype button like I've been telling y'all. Hit that hype button, shorty. Like, I'm putting my car through the mud for y'all, shorty. But today we will be doing hard pulls. Oh! No, this is a... Oh! I'm tripping, folks. But no, though, this is an educational video. Right now, we are running the 4.5 TAC. FN. I don't use anything else but FN. I got two Glock 19X's, but I don't use them. If anybody want to buy them, meet me at a gun store, and I'll sell them to you. Which way should we? No, I'm finna go this way, because I ain't finna do no residential streets. We will be doing straight hard pulls. Hold up. We got to put this in track. If you don't know, a Z. If you're new to my channel, make sure that y'all hit that sub button. Nothing but hard pulls. Then it is very cold outside, y'all. It's very cold outside, shorty. So I don't know how this car finna stick, but we go try it out. It does not look beautiful. And I always tell everybody, bro, because I feel like motherfuckers that's not from Chicago or from around Chicago always think that Chicago is like so treacherous. Honestly, bro, if you go to Harvey, damn near darn motherfucking treacherous when it comes to the environment, bro. Like, the environment's so crazy. Like, this shit, look, folks. Nah. But, bro, the environment is so crazy out here. Like, look, folks, this shit crazy. I'm surprised that I'm looking at these trucks right now. The city could afford this. God. See, this shit don't want to stick, folks. It's getting me very scared. I ain't gonna lie, I'm very scared driving this joint out here. See how these paddle shift. One, two, three, go. Oh. I feel like this joint not hooking how I want it to hook. But it's because they just threw some cheap ass, bogus ass, weak ass tires on this joint. I'm so used to them Mickey Thompson Street SS's, bro. These joints is like dog shit. Dog shit. Try to make a left. Cause I think that we going, I don't even know what's towards that way. Oh, shit. Oh, you can tell I ain't from over here. Let y'all hear this damn exhaust. Damn, it's a stop sign right here. Bro, this road is so stupid. If I ain't have on my plate right now, holy shit. Bro, this road is so insane. But I feel like this is a bait road. I feel like it's a motherfucker in the cut just waiting. This definitely like a fucking bait road, bro. But we finna do a crazy pull right here. See, this is a bait road. Look, folks, they just got shit in the cut. They got little cuts, bro. They bait them motherfuckers. Holy smackerel. But no, you can tell that this is definitely a bait road, shorty. This motherfucker's so empty. You know what you could do on this joint, boy, if I ain't have my plate on right now? You know what I'd do out here? I got that damn temp tag. In the city, I play crazy, bro. Out here in Indiana, I ain't playing crazy, folks. They got track cats and all type, and I'm in this fucking Z, bro. I ain't used to the Z. Probably if I was in my cat, I'd play crazy, because I know them Mickey Thompsons go get me home. But in this, while it's cold, while it was just snowing, it's still snow on the side. I ain't trusting Gary, bro. I don't even know if they be proper. Oh! I don't know if they be properly even sawing they roads, bro. Oh. Speed bump, speed bump, speed bump. Dave, oh. What the fuck? Hey, this bitch get up so crazy. This bitch get up so crazy, bleed. They gonna have to put a helicopter on my ass, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you. What the fuck? They got a farm over here, boy? What the? Brown Family Ranch. Damn. I'm thinking this treacherous. They got whole farms out here. Nah, that's a damn ranch. I don't know the difference from a ranch and a farm. Yeah, they ghetto as hell. Look at that shit. Junkaholic. What type of store name is that? Y'all hit us on a stop. Oh shit, this a damn elementary. Let me chill out, fool. But do y'all know how good this motherfucker sound to be stock like this? Just imagine when I come intake, and I ain't even show y'all take bag niggas. Wine mod. I do have the wine mod. So the wine mod will be on this car. I should have been told y'all, should have been let y'all boys know. But the wine mod would be on this car very soon. Very, very soon. Maybe in the next video, maybe not. Which way? See, I feel like this car is kind of not stalling, bro, but it ain't giving me the right power for some reason. Not giving me the right power, but I feel like that is stopped. Like that is limiting me to actually like stumping on it. If that makes sense. God. Man. Why would you even buy a house out here? Yo, the value of your shit, you go pay 120, that shit go drop the next day to 70. Bro, it's straight French. I'm finna turn right here, bro, so y'all can see that it's really trench vibes. See, they got so much snow out here. It's very trenchy out here. I might be on the wrong side of town. You might shouldn't have a burble tune over here, but look at these bogus. Look at, bro, these roads are so crazy. Oh yeah, I think I'm in the wrong. Yeah, I'm in the wrong hood, fo. I ain't gonna lie. I already know when it's a abandoned playground, this is not the hood you want to be in. For let me get the fuck out. Oh! Y'all fucking see that? Yeah, I'm gone, folks. I ain't fuck with these residential streets. Oh. Carpool. Can I got an old school out there? Hey, y'all want to see something? His ass crack. I feel like I've been over here once to sell shoes. If it's an apartment building over here, then I've definitely been over here. Like apartment complex, kind of. I can't remember though. It might be behind me. I think it's behind me, all the way down. No, but I just came from that way. I might be tripping, but I've been over here, over this way. It kind of looked the same, but I know it's different. He said, "Good car, man." He said that motherfucker hard. He said that motherfucker hard. He said, "I never seen nothing like that, boy." Oh, this Broadway. I don't know how long this ZL1 POV gonna be, but I'm gonna give y'all a show. Oh, my hand's starting to hurt. This is like, nah, that ain't no track. It's a regular Jeep. Damn, he just went over that shit like it wasn't nothing. Jackson 5. Y'all know, man. I was gonna say Michael Jordan. Michael Jackson was my lonely lost uncle. Dang, hey, that look low-key raw on this camera, boy. Hey, did that update on these iPhones make the camera better or something? All right, y'all, look, this is Broadway. Nah, hold up, look, I'm gonna show y'all. Because the City Hall up here, I think, I don't know if it's City Hall or, this is like they nice area. This is they nice area. I think it's a school over here too, because I've been over here. I don't think I went to a game, but I sold a lot of shoes over here though. So, y'all know me, I had the city on lock and I had Indiana on lock like crazy. Northwest Indiana and the whole Chicagoland area, bro. Anything in Chicagoland, I had that shit on lock when it comes to this shoe shit, man. It looked pretty beautiful out here though. I feel like too, everybody be making it seem like that is so bad living somewhere. Like, bro, if you ain't living out here, it ain't that bad, bro. Cause then I be seeing people that be doing hood cut-ups and shit and blah, blah, blah. It's like, bro, if you look at another motherfucker hood, and if you look at Gary, bro, you will be like, what? Like, look at that church, bro. Like, you will be like, what? All right, y'all, look, this is a nice area, bro. Now, let's go a block to the right. This is what we gonna do. We gonna go a block to the right. One block. All right. Then we go turn on the first block that we could turn on. Okay. Okay. We right down the street from shit. Look, that's a little, look at these streets, folks. All right. We gonna see how they coming over here. Look, he clutching, overly clutching. Let's see, let's see how they coming over here. Oh my, it's so treacherous. Oh, do anybody even live in these houses? Bro, Greg, this can't be real. I ain't never felt bad for no city, but I feel bad for this city, bro. I feel bad for Gary, folks. I ain't gonna lie, but there's a lot of motherfuckers that I'm cool with and shit that's from Gary and shit, so this shit's so crazy seeing this shit, because I never even been out here for this long. Like, if I'm out here serving some shit, and then I'm gone. Not serving, because I ain't finna be saying serving, bro, like I'm just out here serving drugs or something. Shoes, bro, slinging shoes. Let me know if y'all want me to bring some of y'all favorite YouTubers out here, because I know this is a good place to cut up, but not cut up too crazy, bro, because y'all know the shares be out here like fucking crazy. I should show y'all where I went before to sell shoes over here, because I know exactly where it's at. But I ain't gonna tell y'all the exact house, but I'm gonna just show y'all the area. Folks, this shit's so damn treacherous, gang. I think we could go straight. And it's crazy, man. This is so much shit. I ain't gonna speak too much. That's gonna get a little policey. And your boy Davo was not policey. Unless I get in that jam and I have to get out. I'm gonna get out in 24 hours. So don't do a crime with me, hoe Adney. Nah. Man, as long as y'all take y'all own motherfucking weight. It was over here somewhere. I ain't gonna tell y'all the exact spot, but it was around here. This is where I dropped it. And look, this is pretty nice. Especially when I dropped off some, that was like 3 years ago. When I dropped off some over here, it was even nicer. And it's still nice. Like, you can tell that these is newly built little townhomes and shit. So, over here, not that bad, bro. When it comes to cribs, because these is newly built, but when you look out your window and you see shit like this, I think this is the school right here. But when you look at your window and you see stuff like this, bro, that ain't cool. I am under the weather today. Damn, man. Damn, that school, little as shit. I don't even know if that's a real school. Like, that's a school, but I don't know if that's because I know that they got a high school, I think. Which way should we go? I gotta go back to the crib. Well, I was finna turn that way, boy. That's a one-way. I'm gonna be heading my ass back. But yeah, I just had to get y'all a little POV of Gary. I ain't gonna show y'all too much because I'm gonna just leave some for another video. So let me know if y'all boys enjoy this little scenery. I was going off that video, but we go show y'all this shit, boy. This shit look like fucking Yemen. And one of my homies used to live over here. This shit look like real life Yemen. But nah, actually I think that he still live over here. Like, y'all see these fucking cribs, boy? I'm talking about Yemen. That's like a fucking Black Ops map. Or a Modern Warfare map. I can't remember because I ain't played the game in so long. Like 8 years, 6 years plus. But boy, all I'm gonna say, this shit looking real bad, bro. This is like a damn Call of Duty map. Bro, if they made Gary as a Call of Duty map, that should be insane, bro. Like a crazy Gary map. I just don't know what area they have to put in. But if they put Gary in anywhere, bro, GTA, anything. No, what they should do is do Chicago, and they should make you be able to go to Gary. That shit'll be wrong. That shit'll be wrong. But Chicago's so big, bro. They do Chicago. They just go keep it Chicago, probably. But nah, though, that'll be tough. Overly. But yeah, though, y'all, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all boys in the next one. But my homie, his ass lives like in these houses over here. So these ain't that bad, but shit ain't too far off. But I'm gonna get up with y'all boys, man. Peace.